be cruising around, heading up, taking it on some of these trails. And man, guys, I gotta say, this bike is mad fast. Check the angle. This bike is electric start. I just want to check the angle and make sure everything's good. Okay. Yeah, I think right there is great. Alright, there we go. I don't know, I ain't got much GoPro battery left, but I'm going to try to get a little video out and talk about the bike, just show you guys some riding. This right here is going to be my my first time having it on the trails. Oh, I am a greenhorn, not really. Mistakes were made. Man, it's so bumpy out here. I gotta get a new GoPro battery, guys. This one I got's jacked up. Woo. I gotta say, boys, this bike right here, it has plenty of power. This thing is wild. I just done the review video of it, like I told you guys. If you guys have any questions about the bike, let me know in the comments below on either of the 250 videos, and I'll try my best to respond. Let me know in the comments below what you want to see, like what you guys expect of these things and what you want to see. We'll try our best to get it out. I hope the battery lasts, at least we can get some decent footage, because I ain't got GoPro footage in a fat minute. It's been a while. And if you guys wonder what the rattling sound is, it's my keys right here. They're on the front. You know, I have too many keys. I have a lot of keys. I can't help it, boys. I can't help it. Usually the one we test things on. Man, some four-wheelers been down here. Yeah, I've ripped this place up. I haven't really got to open it up. I haven't even took it on a trail like this. Oh, yeah. Gotta watch out for the four-wheelers, because I don't know how many's out here, if anybody's out here. Definitely got to be careful. I don't want to hit nobody or get hit, so. But man, this thing is gas company, maybe, but I don't know. Kind of feels like a truck. Nah, I guess there's nobody out here. These tracks are old, and man, they look fresh. They gotta be from today or something. Jeez. Woo! Alright, I'm gonna stop right here, check the GoPro real quick, make sure everything's all Gucci, because I don't wanna, daggone it. Alright. I don't even know what my battery's on. Alright, we're on 29%. I hope the angle's good, because I've been trying this one. I hope. I really don't know. But oh well, it is what it is. Hopefully it's good. If not, we're gonna get it eventually. Might take us 180 videos, but we'll get it. I love this bike so far. So far, this thing has got a ton of power, and it's real. I mean, it feels real good and real sturdy. It feels like a bike, like an actual bike. So, I mean, a lot of people complain, man. They're like, "Hey, it's a Chinese bike. Of course, it's gonna suck." Nah, not necessarily. I mean, so far I've owned my Apollo 125 for 7 months, and heck, it's done amazing. I've only had one issue out of it for 7 months, and that issue was popping a rear inner tube. So, I mean, that was my fault. Man, this thing is so bad. We're gonna do a little top speed test. We're gonna take it to the road real quick, do a little run with it. I'm just gonna show you exactly how fast this bike is. On the 125, you might hit 55 or 60, maybe. Alright? But on this thing, guys, this thing don't play around. This thing you'll hit 75 easy. At least or more. I'm telling you guys, it's wild. From my experience, I watched a bunch of people say that they only got this bike up to like 50 miles an hour. Okay? And I was like, immediately, I was thinking to myself, maybe it was the engines that their distributor put on the bikes. Because some of these come with a lot of different engines. It's according to who you order from. Because I've seen some with Zongshin engines and a few of those, I forget what they're called, those Honda clones. Basically, these engines are Honda clones. I mean, heck, for the price, a 250 dirt bike, 2020 model, you're not going to complain for $1,700. I am not sponsored by Power Sports Max, just want to clarify that up. But man, I think they're a heck of a company. I've ordered from them twice, and everything turns out to be what it said, and everything was what it said. So I can't complain. I gotta give them a thumbs up. Heck, I was real pleased. Like the first time ordering through Power Sports Max, I was like, well, I've seen a bunch of these companies, but I did research, and man, Power Sports Max is a heck of a company. If I buy any more stuff like these Chinese bikes, it's coming from them always. I have yet to jump this thing. I have yet to wheelie this thing, but one time. A lot of people say it's top heavy and they don't want to pop. Well, they're kind of right about the top heavy part, but if you know what you're doing with the wheelie, you can get it to pop. It's nothing hard. But I won't lie to you guys. Like I said, it being top heavy, you know, it's not going to be wheelie prone like the 125 is. It's just not. So just know that. Okay. We're going to get down here, get on the road, and do a little run with it. Show you guys how fast it is. Then we're going to call that a video. Just a little bit of trail riding. I figured some of you guys would like to see it, so figured we'd get a little bit in. We're going to try to get Big Red up here to go riding. His four-wheeler's down at the moment, and he has crashed the YZ250. So, yeah, he destroyed it because I know he won't fix it, but oh well. He broke both levers and a throttle cable, and he cracked the front fender, so I know he ain't gonna put no levers on it. Alrighty. Okay, boys, I think we're clear. Let's do it. Way more than any 50 and 60. This thing is wicked fast. Alright, how deep is this puppy? Nothing the 250 can't handle. Oh my god. Okay, now I don't know about this one. I guess we'll find out, huh? Right through the middle, baby. Let's go. That's just like a massive water hole. It ain't no mud hole. Off here. I don't trust this trail one bit. The rest of the trail, because I know a lot of people like throw glass and crap out here. Oh man, this is a sketchy bridge.